To call back Billcom API documentation, you need to start by reviewing the documentation provided by Billcom to understand the available endpoints and parameters. First, go to the Billcom API documentation website and navigate to the section that outlines the API endpoints and their corresponding parameters. Next, you will need to register for a Billcom developer account to obtain an API key and client ID. This will be used to authenticate your API requests. Once you have your API key and client ID, you can begin making API calls to the Billcom API. To make an API call, you will need to use a programming language such as Python or Java to send an HTTP request to the Billcom API endpoint. You will need to include your API key and client ID in the request headers to authenticate the request. For example, if you are using Python, you can use the requests library to make a GET request to the Billcom API. You would include your API key and client ID in the headers of the request and specify the endpoint and any parameters in the URL. After making the API call, you will need to parse the response from the Billcom API. The response will be in JSON format and will contain the data you requested. You can then use this data in your application as needed. Best practices for callback Billcom API documentation include handling errors and exceptions properly and using secure protocols when making API requests. You should also ensure that you are using the most up-to-date version of the API and that you are following any rate limits specified in the documentation. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully call back Billcom API documentation and integrate the Billcom API into your application. This will allow you to automate tasks and access data from the Billcom platform programmatically. It is also important to note that the Billcom API documentation is subject to change, so be sure to check the documentation regularly for updates and changes. Additionally, if you are having trouble with the API, you can contact the Billcom support team for assistance. Overall, callback Billcom API documentation is a straightforward process that requires some programming knowledge and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can successfully integrate the Billcom API into your application and start automating tasks and accessing data today.